Hi everyone, and welcome back to BankOps Master. In today's video, we're going to learn how to process a check withdrawal in Oracle Banking Branch. This function is used when a customer wants to withdraw cash from their checking or savings account by presenting an in-house check. The withdrawal is always subject to sufficient available balance or available credit limit. If signature verification is required, you can click the Verify button in the Customer Information widget. This applies only if signature verification is enabled at the function code preference level. To open the check withdrawal screen, you have two options. First option, type Check Withdrawal in the menu item search located at the top left corner of your application toolbar and select the correct screen. Second option, from a home screen, click Teller. On the Teller mega menu, under Customer Transaction, click Check Withdrawal. Once selected, the check withdrawal screen will appear. Now, let's walk through the main transaction details. Start by entering the account number of the customer. When you press the Tab key, the system displays the customer's account information. If the account is dormant, you may see an override or an error message depending on the dormancy settings. Next, enter the transaction amount. The system defaults to the branch's local currency, but you can select another currency from the drop-down list. This is the amount that will be debited from the customer's account. Then enter the check number as provided by the customer. The system will automatically validate the check status. If the check is used, stopped, or invalid, an error message will appear. Next, select the check date, which is the date written on the check. If the withdrawal involves cross-currency, you may specify a negotiated exchange rate, and the system will require a negotiated reference number. You can also choose a reject code if the transaction needs to be rejected. Common reasons include insufficient funds, signature mismatch, or stale check. The description for the selected reject code will appear automatically. If multi-currency is enabled, the system will display the exchange rate and the account amount, which shows the transaction value converted into account currency. Finally, the narrative field will show the default text cash withdrawal, and you can modify it if needed. That's how you process a check withdrawal in Oracle Banking Branch. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to BankOps Master, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our banking operations tutorials. Thank you for watching.